You are the project manager for a new product development project. Various stakeholders have expressed their view on what they believe will bring the most business value. Given the business value can vary based on individual perspective, which of the following statement is the most accurate understanding of business value and its variability amongst the stakeholders? So basically, this question is like a glossary question, which is checking that do you know what is called business value? Yeah. And if yes, you need to find the right option which defines it. Yeah. So I usually use the word glossary question for it. Option A, business value is a concept that is measured in the term of return on investment and payback period. So I can say the business value can be measured in the return on investment payback period. It can be measured in the form of net present value, internal rate of return. It can be measured in the form of customer acquisition, objectives and key results, OKRs. There could be various way of measuring business value. It is just not limited to financial value. Yeah, so that's the thing. And option A is just focusing on two financial value. Now that was also two parameters of financial value. So it's a probably a candidate option if I don't get anything better out in the remaining three, but it has some negative attachment to it. Let's go with option B. Business value is determined solely by the project's end users. um, Business value can be defined by many stakeholders. It is just not the end user who can define what is the business value. It can be defined by way of cost saving as well. So you may want to develop a product which will help you in saving the operational cost. Not necessarily the end user get any benefits, but the support people get lots of benefit because of it. So it's a end user value is a one of the business value, but it is not the only one which can be identified by the end user. There could be a community who might be identifying some of the business value. There is a government which might be putting some of the compliance related business value. So it's not complete again. Option C, business value is derived from various factors like increased market share, customer satisfaction, or operational efficiency. So that looks little open-ended question. It is giving the three examples, and it is also telling that business value can be derived from various factors and can vary from stakeholders to stakeholders. So yes, the business value is the overall value we want to deliver from the project. There could be tangible, there could be intangible business values, and the option C looks the out of other three options which we have, two options which we have explored, looks like a great definition of business value. Option D, business value is only realized once the project is completed and it is tracked by benefit management plan. So option D has a one right thing. The benefit management plan definitely tracks the business value realization, but it has a wrong thing which tells that it only can be measured once the project is finished. So it can be measured intermediately as well, depending upon if you are making incremental delivery. So we can say it has a partial faulty statement here. So out of the four options which we have seen, the C is the open-ended and very closely defines the definition of business value. This particular question is linked to business domain task 2. It is focusing on evaluating and delivering project benefits and value. And it has subsections talking about we need to identify business value, we need to identify the ownership of ongoing benefit realization and track it throughout our project duration and beyond as well. Yeah. So that's the question. I see most of you, at least the majority, voted for option C. So I also go with your option C here.